We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the four forms of the verb to do. The third person is pronounced as does, as in she does the cooking. Does, the past tense or past simple, is pronounced as did. Did. A short E sound here. The participle is pronounced as done. Done. As in, the cooking is done. Overall, do, does, did, done. Watch this video right here if you want to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs to practice and improve your English. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you there, and thanks for watching.